This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joanne Levy. Kevco Cassidy Custom Built 2020 Open Floor Plan Home, 3-bedroom 2-bath single-family home that sits on 4.65 acres could be yours. This home features a split plan with custom upgrades with a bonus room off the master bedroom that could be turned into a workout room, office, etc. When you enjoy your peaceful outdoor space, you will be able to park your toys under the 2 pole barns. Plenty of room to bring your toys and horses. Within minutes from the boat ramp to fish and relax for the day. Not too far from shopping and hunting either. Call and make your appointment today. For more information, review the details below.